Do you think I can turn this $10 garage sale filing cabinet into something beautiful enough to keep in my home?
Oh, hurt my back again. Gotta take this out.
I'm kind of skeptical on whether I can pull this one off, but let's give it a try.
Don't want that. Now I stripped it. Give me a minute. I need to think about this and make a plan. I want to trim this. Now, which saw should I use? The guide on here is the perfect width. So I think this will be great. Oh, this line, not that line. And that's gonna go into those metal things. Okay, I'm gonna be off the line a bit, but trying to avoid those metal things. I don't want to cut it. They're under here too.
That little piece there broke, so I'm just using some wood glue and brad nails, and I'm gonna glue it on. Now I'm adding some braces that are gonna go on each side and the back, and this is to be able to put another piece of wood on top of it. I'm using some more scraps. This is some scrap MDF, and we're gonna make like a little armchair.
I just cut these at 30-degree angles. It's 45. I'm gonna sand it. Get this in place. And let the glue dry. And then we'll fill the nail holes after. One thing that's super annoying about not having like a garage or a dedicated workplace, up and down the stairs, in and out of the house all the time. We have a little workshop room in our basement. Leave that renovation link in the description. Did like a complete 180 on that room. Huffing and puffing because I'm going up and down the stairs. Got the wire cutters to snip the nails, take the bad nails out, and fill some holes, and then I gotta go have some lunch.
After letting the glue dry and all the wood filler dry, I sanded everything with 220 grit sandpaper. I don't normally use spray paint on my projects, but I'm having little faith in this project, so I decided, what the heck, I'm just gonna give it a try. So here I am using a spray primer, and it's a darker color because the paint is gonna be darker.
10 to 8, I'm not a night owl. I need to get to bed. I don't know how this is gonna work out. I'm gonna show you an up close. See the wood grain.
I don't know, you guys, am I wasting my time with this $10 filing cabinet?
I got merch. I got a hat with my new logo on it. It's kind of crazy. My daughter's in a track meet, but I'm gonna give this a quick sand and one coat and let it dry. Head down to the track and then come back and do a second coat. So let's just get going.
I really like these sanding blocks. I'm using a 220 grit one, and I'm just going over the whole thing and then wiping it clean with a damp rag.
This denim color.
And yes, Absolutely wear a respirator or something. Spray paint is disgusting. Even outside, I found the fumes to be a lot.
It looks terrible. Okay, we're done for a bit here. Still skeptical that this is gonna work, but I've let it dry for a few hours and I'm gonna just spray it again because at this point we just gotta keep going. I guess I forgot to press record through my whole second coat, but I did start a second can. I guess it is what it is. Kid's gonna wreck it anyways, right? Oops, I forgot to video. I'm tired. It's hot outside. I'm sunburned. You're so bright. Cut this board for me because I was away last night. I just sanded it down. It's a piece of pine shelving, and then I wiped it clean with a damp rag, let it dry, and then I applied this acrylic clear top coat in satin finish. Let that dry. I'll probably do 2 coats of it and then put that on for the seat.
I was gonna get new hardware, but I really didn't want to put any more money into this project, so I used Rub and Buff on it. You can see the difference between the old stuff and the new stuff. And then I put the hardware back on in kind of a similar spot, but I made it a little bit closer together. I thought it looked a little bit nicer. I secured that wood piece on, and then I cleaned out the bottom drawer. I'm lining it with scrap wallpaper. I always save my wallpaper scraps for this. It comes in handy and it makes it so much easier to keep them clean. And now for the moment of truth. This is our $10 filing cabinet and I turned it into a kid's book nook. What do you guys think? That second coat of spray paint made a big difference and I think it turned out really good in the end. And it's perfect for keeping your kids' books tidy and giving them a fun place to read. Subscribe for more fun DIYs like this.